What is the best time frame for swing trading? Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you what I think is the best time frame that you should be using if you're going to do swing trading. Okay. Now, if you are new to trading and you do not know what a swing trading is, okay, let me just start by explaining the what swing trading is. Okay, why people actually do it, right? Before answering the question. Okay. So what is swing trading? Swing trading, as the name suggests, right? Swing. You are trying to catch the swings in the market. Okay. Now, some people would want to catch, just the with trend swings. Meaning, if in this case we're in a downtrend. For example, if you look over here, you're in a downtrend because you have a lower low, and you have a high and a lower high. Okay, so over here, if you are swing trading, then you are trying to catch this high here, and you're trying to hold it for the move downwards. Okay, so that is what swing trading is. Okay, swing trading is not for everyone. Okay, because it needs a lot of more patience, right? And also requires a larger stop loss because you are trying to catch a swing. So in a sense, you need to have your stop loss wider, because if price swing against you, you need to be able to tolerate the drawdown. Okay, so back to the question about what time frame is recommended for swing trading. Okay, the straightforward answer is actually a H4 and a daily chart. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, when it comes to swing trading, you are not looking to exceed your position within the day. Okay, you're probably going to hold your position for 3-4 days, right? Perhaps even a week or 2 weeks, right? You have a short-term swing trading and you have the longer term. Okay, but for the sake of this video, let's just stick to probably just a couple of days, right? So perhaps you have a full-time job, right? And you cannot be looking at the chart every day, right? You can only look at the chart when you are back at home in the night. Okay, so in this kind of scenario, then swing trading will be good for you. Okay, because you can't be touching your trades, adjusting your stop loss when you're at work. Okay, you don't want your boss to scold you for that. So that's probably why you want to go into swing trading. Okay, so why do I recommend the H4 and the daily chart? Okay, very simple, because the H4, it represents one H4 represents a 4-hour candle, right? The 4-hour candle is actually quite reliable. If you've been trading some time, you'll know that the H4 candle is very powerful because it represents half a trading session, right? Half a trading session is normally about 8 hours. Okay, a typical trading session lasts for about 8 hours. Okay, if you are new, you do not know about all this. Okay, I have other videos talking about the trading sessions, the 3 main trading sessions. So you want to check that out. Okay, but basically, a 4-hour candle, it's very reliable compared to the H1 candle, right? Because the H1 candle, what can happen is that you can have just before the Euro Open, it can be very bearish, and during the Euro Open, it can be bullish, right? So you have that issues. But when you're using a H4 candle, it's much more reliable. Okay, so what I would recommend you to do if you're doing swing trading, you want to do swing trading, is you start from the day chart. Okay, you start from the day chart. Okay, and you just basically map out support and resistance level. Okay, so the good thing about the day chart is that identifying support and resistance levels are very easy. It's a very easy process because the levels are much clearer on the day chart. Okay, this is also why I recommend new traders, you are still struggling, to start from the day chart, because it's so much more obvious. I mean, if you look at it over here, you can see that it's very clear. This is resistance, this support, and this support. So your levels are clearer on the daily time frame. Okay, so if you go down to the H1, it's more messy, right? The lower down the time frame you go, the more messy the chart is going to appear. So it's going to require more skill. Okay, so I will recommend you to start on the daily, to identify the support and resistance levels first before going to the H4 to find your entry. Okay, so this is what I recommend. Okay, if you want to swing trade. Okay, so if you're new to our channel, and you're still lost and you need a strategy, right? We do have a free day trading guide for you. The link's in the description, right? Make sure you download it. Okay, that teaches you how to day trade. Okay, not really swing trade, but I do have other videos about how to swing trade. Okay, so I hope this answer a very common question, right? Which time frame do you recommend? It will be the H4 and daily chart. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.